To fix the no service problem in Samsung A14, the first way is we will start in the settings, then scroll all the way down until you see general management. We will then scroll down again until we see reset. And the first thing we want to try is resetting the mobile network settings. So tap on this one, tap reset, enter in your login, and tap reset one more time. If this works, great. If it does not work, we will need to get our SIM ejector tool, and we just need to quickly take the SIM card out of the phone. And so the second reason is that your SIM card, this yellow reader here, may have some dirt on it or some grime. So to clean it, just get your jumper or your t-shirt or microfiber cloth. It's something you can give it a nice rub with that won't damage it, and just give it a nice rub just so we can have this yellow connector here clean. Then we will put the SIM card back into the phone. If that works, excellent. If still not working, the last thing we can try is swiping down from the top twice, then tap the power icon, and then restart your phone. If all these don't work, your SIM card is damaged, so you will need to contact for a replacement. And also, quickly, in your home, you may not get signal, but outside you do. So you can always call up your carrier and ask them to get a signal booster in your home. Sometimes it costs money, sometimes it's free if you hassle the employees. And that signal booster will, well, it says in the name, boost the signal.